Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what is in my hospital bag. I did one of these with Lachlan, which I will leave linked in the description box down below, but it is time to do it for baby number 2, and I think this time I was a lot more reserved on what I actually packed in my hospital bag, as opposed to last time, which I think I just went a little overboard. Who knows. Everything that I am taking and I'm bringing for my husband is in this duffel bag, which is very, very heavy. Which looks massive, but it's actually not that massive. It's just a gym bag. So that is what I'm bringing to the hospital this time. I'm going to go through it with you guys, show you guys what I have packed. I've also got a bag for baby, which I will be filming a video on, and my toddler, which I will be filming a video on as well. So stay tuned for those. Those will be coming in the coming couple of weeks. But let's get into this one. So I have basically organised our hospital bags into packing cubes. This is for convenience, and so we can find things. Last time it was a scramble. Whenever we looked for something, it would take forever, and so this time it's a lot easier. So this is a double-sided packing cube like that, and I'm just going to show you what's in it. So the first side of this packing cube has my tops and bras. So I've got one nursing bra. Everything that I have, if I can find links, I will leave them linked down below, but a lot of this stuff I had just from Lachlan, or they're not maternity. So it just depends on what I can find. If I can find things, I will leave them down below. This is just a sleep maternity bra. It doesn't have built-in cups or anything like that, but it's just the Bonds one. And that's what I'm going to wear in the hospital overnight. So if I don't want to wear that, I also do have 2 nursing singlets. So I have a black and white one, which has the little clips. And I have a plain black one, same sort of thing, just a nursing singlet. Those will either be, you know, for when I go home or through the night, depending if I stay there. And then I've also just got some comfy tops. I've got one nursing top which just looks like this. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it's got like you guys are not gonna be able to see this at all, but it has like a lift up bit for feeding on both sides. This. And so I bought that probably to go home in, with a nursing singlet underneath it, and then just 2 singlet pajama tops. So, you know, postpartum, you don't know how you're going to be feeling. I also don't know how long I'm going to have to stay at the hospital, preferably not too long, but who knows. So one just stripy one, just really soft and comfortable, and the exact same thing but in black. So those are all the tops I'm bringing to the hospital. I've tried to keep it fairly low-key, but you know, you get spit up on you, you get poop on you, you get blood. I wanted to have a few different options in case I, you know, wanted to wear something different or something got ruined. So I wanted to have a few different options. So that is my sort of tops section of my packing cube, and bras. So not packing any more tops or bras. Kept that really, I think, low-key. Last time I think I packed way too much. And then flipping it around, I have another side of this packing cube, which is just all my pants, which is actually just 1 pair of leggings and 2 pairs of black yoga pants. That's all I'm bringing pants wise, because black is essential for post-labor. I'm not actually bringing pajamas as such, because I'm just going to wear comfy yoga pants to bed. Also, I don't have any nursing friendly pajamas, so I'm just bringing those. Also, it's winter here, so I'm going to want to wear pants but be comfortable. So that is what I'm packing in that cube. The next cube is just literally underwear and pads, and socks. So 1 pair of fuzzy black socks. These have the grips on the bottom so I can walk around the hospital. I'm not packing actual slippers because who can be bothered. I've also packed 5 pairs of sort of like big underwear. You know, these are in a couple sizes too big. They're just plain home brand underwear from Big W, but I'm packing quite a few of those because I need those postpartum. And then I'm also packing 1 pack of maternity pads. I have 3 packs in total of these. I'm packing 1. If I need more, my husband can pick some up for me. My camera battery is flashing at me, and I'm probably gonna have to go change it. I'm not bringing a ton, just 1 pack of pads is all I'm gonna bring in here. and my husband can bring me more if I need them, but hopefully we'll be going home before I run out of tin. I've also got a little toothbrush kit. This has got my toothbrush, my husband's toothbrush, mini toothpaste, mini mouthwash, mini dental floss. So much easier than trying to pack my toothbrush at the last minute. Just pack this. Cost me like a couple dollars from Big W. It's just a Colgate one. This is mine and my husband's toiletries bag. So let's go through what I've got in here. Toiletries is probably the only thing that I really sort of went ham, I guess. First thing is some micellar wipes. If I'm wearing makeup, if I just want to clean my face without washing it. I love the Garnier micellar water. I bought the wipe version. Femme Fresh wipes. I love these postpartum with Lachlan because they're just really gentle. They're really good for the pH of your lady parts, and also for postpartum I found that these were just so soft and gentle. Toilet paper is just too rough and too uncomfortable. This was really nice. Unscented deodorant. Something you don't really know until you give birth is that any sort of scent on your body can confuse your baby with breastfeeding. They want to get as much of your scent as possible, so this is unscented, fragrance-free, sensitive deodorant. The only brand I could find was Dove in unscented, but use whatever unscented one you'd like to. That's just what I was recommended, and I found that that was good with Lachlan, because if I used anything scented with him, I would have to actually go wash before I could feed him. I also got myself some, well, I've had this, but it's my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea, either for during labour or afterwards if I need a bit of a refresh. Obviously cucumber, aloe and green tea are really soothing for redness and you know, for feeling hot and relaxing. So got that one. I've also got a little mini Lancino cream. I might not need to use this in the hospital, but I thought I brought a mini one anyway. I used this in the first couple of weeks of breastfeeding with Lachlan. It saved my breasts from just blistering and hurting so much, so I thought I'd bring some to the hospital this time around. I've also got 2 leave-in conditioners. I've got my BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is my favourite leave-in conditioner. And then I've also got my It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product, which there's actually not much left in this. So this one's more of like a all-in-one defrizz, detangle, all that sort of stuff. This is more of like a protectant that also does the same sort of stuff. I have both. I like choices. I've also got a little thing of hair oil. I have incredibly dry hair, and postpartum with Lachlan I had a shower and all I wanted to do was brush my hair because it was so horrible. So I've got a little bit of hair oil, I've got a shower comb, and I've actually got a hairbrush as well, because I wanted to brush my hair so badly. I've also got a little packet of bobby pins and hair ties. For obvious reasons. I've bought a face halo with me. I'll leave these linked down below. This is something that Chloe Morello came out with. They remove all your makeup and stuff. I've got one of these in here in case I am wearing makeup and need to wash my face. I also have my Collab dry shampoo. This is in case I don't want to have wash my hair or wet my hair. I thought I would bring it just in case. I very rarely use dry shampoo, but just in case I like to have the option. I've also got some face wash for me and my husband. It's just a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is not my everyday cleanser, but I know this works for both mine and his skin, so I thought I'd buy a little mini bottle of that, and I'm actually going to use this on my body as body wash as well because this is unscented. Like I said, unscented products. And last but not least, my husband packed some deodorant for himself as well. So that is everything in our toiletries bag. Most of this stuff I used with Lachlan and found it so refreshing. I will not be packing makeup for the hospital. I did it with Lachlan. I will not be doing it again this time. I just feel like it's such, you know, it's such a personal, wonderful time, but wearing makeup just, it wasn't necessary for me. I don't get birth photos until we've booked a photographer to have photos, you know, proper newborn photos a couple days post-birth. I'll put makeup on and do my hair then. Any hospital photos, I don't mind if they're raw images, because I've just given birth to a human. I have nothing to be ashamed of and nothing to hide. If my skin's not perfect, if I'm all red, if I'm very pale, with Lachlan I was really pale, I don't care. It's my first moments with my new child, and I don't really mind packing and needing makeup. So the last two things I've packed for the hospital for me is a plain black dressing gown. For obvious reasons, it is black, but just so you can have a bit of dignity with visitors, or if doctors and nurses come in when you're trying to breastfeed, or if you want to walk around the hospital a little bit, get up, get out of the room. A plain black dressing gown is so nice. You're not going to worry about it getting stained or ruined. It was really not expensive. I picked it up from Target, and it's really, really soft. And then I also have a hoodie, which is what I'm going to wear home. So like I said, it is winter here in Australia. Last time it was summer, so I just wore a dress or leggings and a top, but I will need something a little bit more covered up this time because it is going to be cold. And just a plain black hoodie and a couple sizes too big to accommodate for the still swollen stomach postpartum, and the dressing gown for around the hospital. So that's all that I've packed for me. As for what we've packed for hubby and us, I've also packed a phone charger, so a little adapter and an actual phone cord in case we need it. My charger's pretty much always, my phone's pretty much always charged anyway, especially if it's overnight. And we've actually got a charger in the car, but if I have to stay overnight or for whatever reason I need it, we've got a phone charger for both of us. As for Russ, he has packed himself, / I packed him, some undies or some boxes, a plain t-shirt, sorry, 2 pairs of undies, t-shirt. I think he might have packed 2 t-shirts. Yeah, he also packed himself like a swim shorts and t-shirts. This was swim t-shirt and some swim shorts. Whoop. Socks and a pair of tracky pants. That's all he's packed himself. Obviously whatever jumper and shoes and stuff he wears to the hospital is what he can wear home, because he will come home regardless if I get to or not, because he will have to go pick up Lachlan. So that's pretty much it for our hospital bag. I don't think I've gone too overboard this time. Last time I think we went a little overboard and packed the kitchen sink, but I tried to keep it fairly simple this time. So that is what we've packed for our hospital bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you think there's anything I have forgotten, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm also packing some snacks, which I have not packed yet. I'm going to pack some mints, some gum, lollipops, and maybe some Starburst or something. Just really simple sweet foods, or really simple foods that I can just chew on really quickly between contractions. I will also be packing my birth box, which I will be hauling, and I will leave link down below, but it's got all my essential oils and stuff to help through labor and recovery. So I will also be packing that last minute, as well as like my phone. So that's it for my hospital bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, please leave me any comments if you think I've forgotten something. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!